Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking all about the TikTok Creativity Program and answering one of the most popular questions. How much money can you actually make? Whether you're a current TikTok creator or thinking about joining, I'll be sharing real earning estimates, factors that impact your income, and tips for boosting your earnings. Let's get started. First, let's break down what the TikTok Creativity Program actually is. Essentially, this is TikTok's new way of helping creators make money directly from their videos. Unlike the Creator Fund, the Creativity Program rewards high-quality, original content, and aims to provide higher earnings for creators who keep viewers engaged and coming back. Alright, so let's talk about how creators actually make money in this program. TikTok pays based on a few key factors: your views, engagement rate, watch time, and the quality of your content. So, the more people watch, like, and share your videos, the higher your earnings will be. But what kind of money are we talking about? Now, earnings can vary a lot, but here's a general estimate. Creators in the TikTok Creativity Program tend to earn between $5 to $20 per thousand views. This means that if a video gets 500,000 views, you could potentially make anywhere from $2,500 to $10,000. Of course, that's a big range, and your actual earnings depend on how engaging your videos are and where your audience is located. Let's go a bit deeper and look at the main factors that can influence how much you earn on the Creativity Program. Views. The more views, the higher your earnings. Pretty straightforward. Engagement rate. TikTok loves when viewers are liking, commenting, and sharing, so high engagement boosts your videos' reach and earnings. Watch time. Longer watch times indicate that your content is holding people's attention, which is a huge plus for TikTok. Content quality. High quality, original videos are a priority for TikTok. So, putting time and effort into production is definitely worth it. Now that we know what impacts earnings, let's talk about ways to maximize your income on the program. Post consistently. Posting regularly keeps your audience engaged and helps you maintain visibility on TikTok. Jump on trends, but make them your own. Trends are great for reach, but adding your unique spin makes your content memorable. Encourage engagement. Ask questions in your captions, reply to comments, and create content that encourages viewers to share. Focus on quality over quantity. A few high-quality videos are often more impactful than a bunch of rushed ones, so aim for quality. One question that often comes up is, how does TikTok's Creativity Program compare to other platforms? While YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok each offer unique ways to earn, TikTok stands out for its quick viral potential with short-form content. You might earn less per view than on YouTube, but TikTok's algorithm can help you reach a massive audience faster, which can lead to higher earnings overall. So, is the TikTok Creativity Program worth it? If you're already creating content or you're passionate about making original videos, it absolutely can be. The program rewards quality and engagement, and for creators who are already building an audience, it can be a fantastic way to monetize your creativity. But remember, earnings can fluctuate, and growing your channel will take time and effort. And that's everything you need to know about how much money you can make on the TikTok Creativity Program. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and subscribe for more content on creator tips and social media growth. Let me know in the comments if you're thinking about joining the program, or if you're already in it and have any tips to share with other creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.